Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this problem. 1 minus 4 it equals negative 3 and 1 minus 4 it equals negative 3 and there is multiplication here. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 it equals positive 9, but this is not correct answer. If you say why, let's begin. I will try to explain it. Here we have to use this rule. First, we have to begin to work inside the parentheses. After that, if there is any exponent, then we have to work it exponents then, and after that we have to work multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Here multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right, and the same rule applies for addition and subtraction. According to this rule, first we have to work inside the parentheses. 1 minus 4 it equals negative 3, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 1 minus 4 multiplied by 3, and here first we have to work this. According to this rule, negative 4 multiplied by negative 3, when we multiply them it equals positive 12, and 1 plus positive 12 it equals 13. This is our final and correct answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer is 13. Thank you.